What's going on, guys? I am back. I was on a bit of a hiatus. I was moving, as you can see in the background. I'm in a different space now, still getting a bunch of stuff set up, but I wanted to do another quick video. As always, customary on my channel, which you'll come to realize, a lot of my videos will be about different accessories. So I picked up a Paperlike screen protector. It's supposed to be another matte screen protector. It's supposed to give you the paper feel and all of that stuff from Paperlike. So I want to test this out. So in my other video, I showcased I had bought a matte screen protector, paper feel and all that, but this one was $10 on Amazon. So now what I want to do is compare the cheaper one, the $10 one, to the $30 one on Paperlike. I believe they're about like 30 bucks. So I wanted to see just how different the quality is going to be. So I've been using this one for a couple of weeks now, and it's been fine. Little couple of issues here and there that I'll go over in the video, but it's fine. It gets rid of that glossy look that just aggravates me because everything is shining off of it and you can hardly see stuff, especially in direct sunlight. I've been testing to see how this compares to a glossy look, and there are some discrepancies, there are some issues, but overall I still like this look better. But now it's time to see what a $30 screen protector looks like in comparison to a $10 one. Before we get into the video, I did want to take a quick second to also give a big shout out to Moft. Moft is a company that sells minimalistic accessories for your tablets, cell phones, and even computers, and they're nice. Look at this, super thin, like it's just out of the way, super convenient, and I've showcased this in plenty of videos already, and they are just really awesome. And I bought this stuff with my own money. The company did not send this out to me or anything like that, and I really like using their accessories because they're so thin and they're functional, so they're very useful for different situations. Especially this is one of my favorite to use, especially with the iPad mini and putting it on this stand and just being able to take it around with me when I'm in the kitchen and I'm cooking or I'm washing dishes. So I wanted to give a big shout out to Moft. As of today, me recording this, it is November 1st. So on the Moft website, they are now doing sales. Like, they have all sorts of sales going on. You can get up to $35 off your purchases. Go to the link in the description, check out what they have, and get yourself something minimal and useful, and you won't be disappointed. That I can guarantee you. So go check them out, and thank you to Moft. And now let's get into the video. All right, so what I want to do is a quick unboxing of the Paperlike screen protector. So as you can see, Paperlike, and I've been curious about this company for a while. I've seen them advertised on other channels for quite a while now, and there's quite a few people that swear by them and say how great the quality is and all that. So I finally got to the point of saying to myself, all right, let's see what all the fuss is about. So nothing else in the packaging, so we can get rid of that. And then it comes in this nice little folder. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see what we got. And all right, and you got some instructions here. So they have a QR code so you can go and see exactly how to apply the screen protector to your device. So it's really nice. They made them for the iPad mini. I've said in my other video before that I've been kind of looking and seeing what is out there and what's available. What's weird to me, and people can chime in if they've noticed anything similar. What's weird to me is that for the iPad mini, it seems like companies were a little bit, I guess you could say, slow at coming out with things for this iPad, which is weird because all the other iPads and even iPhones and you name it, like there have been accessories available even before they start selling the phones or those devices. For some reason with the iPad mini 6, it seemed like it took a little bit, like it was slow to build. But with that being said, it's like they sent a nice little welcoming letter. I'm not going to read it, so whatever. We're rid of that as well. So we got this packaging here, and of course this is going to have all your other stuff. So you got your little polishing cloth, you got some dust removal stickers and whatnot, you got the wipes and all of that stuff. So yeah, pretty standard stuff that comes, and nothing else in there. Pretty standard stuff that comes along with when you get a screen protector. And just like the cheaper one, the $10 Paper Feel screen protector, Paperlike also they send too, so that's nice. So if you mess up, or if you end up kind of messing up the screen protector after a little bit, you have a secondary one that you can switch to. So we'll get rid of one of these for right now, and now what I want to do is go ahead and apply this. So I'm gonna have to remove the $10 one, the Paper Feel one, not to be confused with Paperlike. This is Paperlike, this one's Paper Feel. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this and then apply the Paperlike, and then we'll see what kind of a difference we have there. Let's get started. All right, so as you can see, so now we have the Paperlike screen protector applied, and I can say, having used the cheaper version and now using this one, applying this one, there's already a much different look even when the screen is turned off. It just has a much smoother look to it, and even a smoother feel even to your fingertip. Let's see how it feels with the Apple Pencil. All right, so I'm just gonna, even that feels significantly different. All right, so, and this isn't yet an endorsement for Paperlike, but I can say that using the Apple Pencil on the Paper Feel screen protector, it was much more rough feeling. This has a much smoother feel to it. And then so you still have the matte, so it's still not glossy. You can still, you can see the reflection of the light, but it's not glossy, so it's not overpowering. But it definitely has a smoother feel. So now what I'd like to do is go ahead and kind of see what Paperlike, how it works, even in other situations, and especially when you're outside, because the Paper Feel screen protector, even in direct sunlight, and that's gonna be most screens that illuminate in our LCD, OLED screens that sometimes can have a little bit better visibility in direct sunlight, but overall, unless it's an e-ink display, you're going to get a lot of glare and reflection and stuff that's going to make it difficult in direct sunlight. But let's go ahead and see what this looks like when we're outside, if we're trying to watch a video or something like that. With the cheaper screen protector, you can see that there's some glare, but it's not as reflective as a glossy display would be. In direct sunlight is where the issues are very apparent, as you can see here. With the Paperlike and outside visibility, you can see it's much more reflective than the Paper Feel, which in my opinion is actually a negative. In direct sunlight, both screen protectors essentially work the same way. It is very hard to see at certain angles when the sun is shining directly on the screen, which once again is to be expected. Indoor visibility is a no-brainer, and this goes for both of the screen protectors. With the Paperlike, as you can see, it is perfectly viewable. There is still a higher reflective nature to this screen protector. You can see the lights reflecting a bit more, but it looks perfectly fine. In comparison to a screen that is glossy, as you can see, there's fingerprints and smudges, whereas with the matte screen protectors, you don't get that as much. and that's a big selling point for me, whether you want to spend the $30 or $10 or whatever the case might be. All right, so my final thoughts for this quick video. Now, by no means is this an actual review. I simply just installed the Paperlike screen protector. As of now, when it comes to the feel and the look of the screen protectors, I am already preferring the Paperlike versus the cheaper paper feel screen protector, but I still need to test it out and see how it goes. As I stated earlier, this one, the Paperlike, is a bit more reflective, so you're getting a bit more glare in certain situations, but the trade-off for how it feels to your hand and when using the Apple Pencil is a bit more enjoyable. So I'll test it out for a while and we'll see how I feel, and maybe I'll do a follow-up video and just talk about whether or not I want to stick with Paperlike. Maybe I switch back to the other paper feel, who knows, or I might go a different route. There's another company that makes matte screen protectors and they're tempered glass as well. They have not yet made one for the iPad Mini 6, but that company is called Mothka. I will link them in the description as well. They have screen protectors for many other devices, some of the other iPads, iPad Air and the Pros and stuff like that, and even for phones, the different versions of the iPhones and whatnot. So they are really nice, and I like their look and feel even more so than I'm liking this one already. But we'll see how it goes and if they end up making one. So that's been the video as of now. Once again, I do just want to let you guys know Moft is doing a sale right now for the holidays. So if you're into unique little accessories, or if you know someone, you have a friend or family member that's into neat accessories that are functional but very minimal, go check them out. Go to the link. I'll put the link in the description. Hit them up, see what they have to offer, and get yourself or get someone in your circle something nice for the holidays. And with that, that's the video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Take care.